We had a really good strawberry crop this year, and after we picked them, a lot of them went into the freezer. This lot came out of the freezer yesterday, and what we're going to do is make traditional strawberry jam. So that's strawberries effectively on their own, other than a little bit of lemon juice added to provide the pectin, because strawberries ain't got much pectin in them. So 2.5 kilos here. So first job, weigh your strawberries, put them on the cooker and bring to the boil. When it's come up to the boil, turn the heat down and then add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. You'll be looking for about 2 lemons per kilo, and keep it simmering until all the fruit has pulped down. Once all the fruit has pulped, add 1 kilo of sugar for every kilo of fruit. Then bring it back up to the boil. So once it's back on a rolling boil, put a dollop on a saucer, and if it sets, it's ready to go into hot sterilised jars. So there we have 11 jars of strawberry jam.